this is the trading recap for this week. This is the 24th day of October 2025, and this is the third week of October. And then what happened this week is what I'm bringing to you. As you can see here, this is the NZD-JPY pair, and this happened to be the only trade we took for this week. This was a buy trade that we got the signal on the 21st of this month, which is on Tuesday. That was when we got this alert. So before then, we had a trade. We had trade on the New Zealand CAD, which happened to be a false trade. After we checked for the fundamental analysis here on this candle right here, we got an entry, but we exit the market. As you can see from our Telegram channel, we gave instruction to set break even on that trade on Tuesday, when we finally found the error from the fundamental aspects of trading. So this trade, I will show you the breakdown. I'll show you how it happened in our account, so I see what happened. So it went down and hit the break even, so we left this trade on this day. So we entered this day, gave the instruction on this. So this was what happened the next day. We gave the instruction to set break even. Then on this day, which is this candle, it went straight to the break even before it came down here. So we'll set break even on this trade to exit this entry, okay, so that we can enter the New Zealand JPY proper. Now the New Zealand JPY, we entered it properly here on Tuesday. Set our first target, set our stop loss, and the rest. Now this is the Friday candle, which is here, but we didn't trade on this day. We closed our position the previous day, which is here, because of major news event that was supposed to happen, but it didn't really affect the market today. As you can see, the CPI news event, we were expecting it to affect the market, so we exited this trade. So that was what happened this week. We scanned through the forex pairs. You can see by my right hand side, these are our forex pairs. And then Bitcoin is still active. This is weekend, but Bitcoin and Ethereum is still active. We scanned through all of them. The only trade we could get is the New Zealand JPY. So this delivered a 3% return on a large account, 10%, 6% return on a mid account, and then 9% return on a small account. Small accounts are account sizes that are below $1,000. Mid accounts are the ones that are below $5,000 but above $1,000. Then large accounts are above $5,000. So it gave us 9% for small accounts. So I'm going to show you what happened in our trading account. We gave the instruction. Remember, I said we gave the instruction to close this trade here on this candle because of news event. So this trade was closed here. Yeah. All right. This was what happened in the trading account. This is $25,000 client account that I'm managing. So as you can see, this is the trade. Yeah, this is the New Zealand card I was telling you about. This was the trade that we took earlier, and we had to set break even to leave that trade because we will have to enter the other trade. A small loss on it, $43 in this account. But the main trade, which is the New Zealand JPY, this is it here, $731 profit on this account. This is about 3% profit, okay? So the general profit is 688. So that was the profit we made on trading this week. So if you are using smaller account that are less than $1,000, this trade would have given you 9% return for the week. So this is how we do it, guys. This is our trading recap for this week. Daily time frame, the best way to go. This trade was held for 2 days. So it was held for 2 straight days before we finally closed it, okay? For fundamental reasons. Trading continues next week. So it has closed for today, which is Friday. It continues next week, and then it's going to be the last trading week of October. So this whole month of October, generally we've made more than 20% return for small account. I'll run the calculation and I'll update you guys next week concerning that. But we've had 3 trades this week on forex pairs, okay? 2 win, 1 loss, and then 1 trade on crypto, which is Ethereum, which is a win, and then 1 trade on a stock on the Australian stock indices, okay, which is a win. So basically, trading with the indicator algorithm this week was this month rather was very productive. Although the month is still running, so we don't usually run monthly analysis until the month is over. So, but for now, we've had 5 trades, 4 wins. That's a very good one. So see you guys on next week. We'll be talking about our trading reports. But before then, a new video is coming up, guys. Make sure you are in the channel to watch and learn the process of the 5% traders in the forex industry.